Guys, still listening to your favorite movies through those tiny, thin TV speakers? This Republic Day, it's time for some audio independence. The sales are live, discounts are deep, and today I am giving you the top soundbar picks for every budget from 5,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees. Let's go! My first recommendation. If you have a budget of exactly 5,000 rupees or below and you want a soundbar that makes your neighbors knock on your door, this is it. Forget the big brands for a second, guys. Let's talk about Govo Go Surround 900. It is a 2.1 channel soundbar system. You get a sleek soundbar plus a 6.5 inches wired subwoofer. You get 4 2.25 inches drivers inside the bar. For connectivity, you get Bluetooth 5.3, HDMI ARC, AUX and USB. It has premium glossy finish with green LED lights that actually look fantastic. This is for the bass lovers. If you want that some sort of deep bass and dick chick sound for your party tracks or action movies, this is bass ka baap in this budget. But if you are a clarity lover, stay away from it. Stay away from it, guys, because at high volume the bass dominates everything. Vocals feel bit thin and over sharp, and also you can't expect high end crystal clear instrumental separations here. It's built for loudness and punch, not for listening to ghazals or romantic songs. My next recommendation is for those who want wild bass just from a compact system. I am here talking about Tribit S1, a 2.1 channel soundbar system, comes with HDMI ARC support and Bluetooth 5.3. If you want bass that makes you vibrate during a car chase or explosion scene of movies, the Tribit S1 delivers that raw energy better than almost anything else in this price. Tribute S1 gives you that heavy bass you want, but the vocals can be bit too crispy or more crispy. My advice, drop the treble levels by 2 notches to get the perfect balance for movies. Currently you can get this soundbar around or below 9,000 rupees. Link in the description, don't forget to check out. Now if you want to enjoy theater like surround sound in your home without breaking your bank, I mean in only just 7,000 rupees, there is no other option than Motorola Amphi SoundX Vibe 500 watts. Balanced bass, all connectivity options, real 5.1 surround sound and enough loud for 300 square feet room. Also the clarity is good according to this price. Go and check out. Now if you love deep but soft bass which makes you vibrate without hitting you hard, and at the same time clarity of vocals also matters for you, then you should buy Samsung B650D. This system comes with 370 watt power output, all necessary connectivity options and a wireless subwoofer is given here. But the only big con of this system is it is not super duper loud. You can use it only room up to 250 square feet in size. In bigger rooms, it struggles to fill the room with its sound. Now guys, if you have a budget below 19,000 rupees and have a room of area about 250 to 300 square feet and want to experience real surround sound during movies without so many wires, then I would like to suggest my personal favorite LG S65DR. This soundbar comes with 600 watt power output, all connectivity options, real 5.1 Dolby Digital surround sound, wireless subwoofer and wireless rear surround speakers. Bass is here thumpy and soft and you can feel deep vibrations. Dialogues are clear and most important highlight of this system is here you can enjoy this system for hours and hours and hours without any ear fatigue, because the sound you get here is very soft. Before moving on to my next recommendation, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Here you can ask your doubts and clear your confusions. Okay guys, last but not the least, if you watch a lot of TV shows and serials and enjoy listening to music casually, then this soundbar is for you. I am talking about JBL Cinema SB190 Dolby Atmos, and currently you can get it below 12,000 rupees, guys. Only 12,000 rupees or below, and it is really one of the best deals I have ever seen. This soundbar comes with 6.5 inches wireless subwoofer which gives you balanced but thumpy bass, and a 2-channel soundbar which gives you crispy, crunchy, extra crispy, crunchy dialogues. Remember, I used words like crispy, crunchy, okay, which means that dialogues don't sound pure natural, they are enhanced. Also, Dolby Atmos here is just marketing gimmick. As we all know, a two-channel system, a two-channel soundbar can never give proper surround sound, Dolby Atmos like surround sound from those two speakers. But despite all, in less than 12,000 rupees, this soundbar really is value for money. So don't miss the chance. Link in the description and go check out. This is for today, guys. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.